Graphs provide us with an incredible amount of information in an incredibly compact format. We're always given a title to describe what's going on, so this is a scuba diver's dive. We're also always given two pieces of information. In this case, it's the depth of the dive and the time. So when given one piece of information, such as the time, we can find out how deep the diver was. Or we could say, what's the depth, and ask for what the time was that depth happened. So first question, how many minutes did the dive last? Well, if we look at the starting point, that's at 0. The ending point, which is over here. The ending point has no label, but we have labels in between. Every second tick is 4, so that means that every tick is worth 2 minutes. This is one tick past 28 minutes, so this dive lasted 30 minutes. At what times did the diver stop the descent? Well, stopping a descent means that the depth doesn't change. We have two places that this happened. Right here, that would be between 4 and 8 minutes. Another place here, between 10 and 14 minutes. Greatest depth, that would be the highest point on this graph. Even though you might be thinking, well, depth should be negative, depth should be going down, the way this graph is formatted, depth will be at the height. That greatest depth is right here. That would be 20 meters. For how many minutes was the diver at that depth? Well, we've already kind of answered that question. The diver was at that depth between 10 and 14 minutes, so that's a total of 4 minutes.